I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another crochet hair tutorial, and you guys, I'm very excited about this one because it's something different and I haven't done something like this in a while. And the color is going to be different, so it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be perfect for summertime. And this hair that I'm going to be showing you guys is from Divatress. I'm going to leave the link to their website below, so make sure you guys check them out. They have really great products for like crochet, braids, like anything you can think of, they have it there. So make sure you guys check them out. So this is the Brazilian Dip Twist by Bobbi Boss. And you guys know Bobbi Boss, they are the boss of crochet hair, like no kidding. They have the best crochet hair out there, hands down. This is the Brazilian Dip Twist in 10 inches. It looks like this. Super cute. The color I'm going to be using is T1B/color 30. So it's going to be like an ombre brown to like honey blonde color, and I think it's going to be perfect for my skin tone. It's going to look super cute, give me a lot of summer vibes, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. As you can see, I've already gotten my front perimeter braided down and I have the back horn rolled down as well. Very simple. I know I look real crazy right now, but don't worry, we're about to transform in a minute and a half. Okay guys, so let's get started. So we're going to be working with this dip twist hair like I mentioned. I love the curl pattern. I think it's the perfect amount of curly and wavy, and it's just super cute, and I think the ombre color really highlights the texture even more. So we're going to be just doing the basic install at the back, just inserting your latch hook, pulling it through and making that knot and securing it. So we're just going to be doing that all through the back portion of the hair, and then when we get to the front, I'll see you guys and then I'll let you guys know what the next step is.
I'll be dreaming, 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 I'll be dreaming.
Okay, so now that you're completely done the back portion of the crochet install, we're gonna try and get the front braids into a nice little ponytail. I'm just gonna be braiding inside as best as you can. You don't even have to braid it, just like pull it up in a ponytail. Now this is a quick, super quick style for anyone who does not know how to braid, or just does not have the time to sit there and just like do this on your hair, like, you know, like professionally. So this is like a quick DIY, easy install, bootleg version of a crochet tutorial, but it's gonna come out super cute, so don't worry. So just taking my elastic band, I'm just gonna be securing that, and then taking some crochet hair and then just like installing the crochet hair from where I have that braid is going into the ponytail, just to make sure that you cover it as best as you can. But yeah.
I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming.
You guys are gonna be so mad at me, but I actually lost the footage of me creating my bun and slicking my baby hairs down. But I apologize. I don't know what happened to the footage, but I just lost it. But basically the gist of it is when you're done completing or covering that bun, you want to wrap it around like that, creating your little top knot. So that's the only footage I have of me like test sampling it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love this tutorial. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a merry day and God bless.